Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, make sure you subscribe. The button will be right down below. Today I'm going to be doing my everyday back to school makeup look. Basically, this is what I do when I'm going to school. I'm a freshman in college, so I'm like running out the door for classes. So this is the makeup look that I just always go to, and it looks kind of like full glam without like eyes, but it's really like not that much, like you guys will see in the video. But I don't really use that many products. But yeah, I'm really happy with it, and this is literally what I use every day unless I'm doing eyeshadow. But this was used with like most expensive like high-end brands. But if you would like me to do a makeup look like this, or another back to school makeup look, or just an everyday look with all drugstore products, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below, and I will definitely do that for you guys. So yeah, because I know a lot of people don't like have high-end makeup products because drugstore are really just as good. So just let me know and I'll definitely do that for you guys. So if you guys want to see my back to school makeup routine for 2018, then let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so first off, I'm going to prep the skin, and what I like to do for like a moisturizer is the Drunk Elephant hydration gel. And I just pump like 2 pumps. You don't have to do this, like obviously that's like an expensive product, but that's just what works for my skin. It's very dry, so I just take it and rub it in. If you like see me like looking over here, my mirror's right here. So next I take my primer, and it's the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Rich Face Base. Like I said, like I am kind of using more expensive products in this video, but this is just my routine, my everyday look for back to school or college, whatever. But I will do a drugstore version if you guys want me to, so just let me know down below. Now that my skin is prepped, we are going to go in with foundation, and I just used the Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the shade Nude, and I don't know, I like it. It's really good. It's like medium to full coverage. And then what I'd like to do is take my Morphe Beauty Blender. I love that beauty blender. It's so good, and it's cheaper than like the regular beauty blender. And I take the like flat side of it and spray it with Fix Plus, just so it's like extra glowy and dewy. And then I dip my sponge in. Look how dewy that looks. It's almost like way too much. Okay, so done with foundation. So next for concealer, it really depends, but I just pulled this one out. It's the Tarte Shape Tape, classic. Love this stuff. I look really scary right now. And I just kind of do like a little thingy. Oh my god. This is what I get for not looking in the mirror. It usually looks a little bit better than that, but now you just blend it out. And I blend it out with the point of this sponge. So now that I've botched my nose highlight, I think I kind of need to like really mattify this because it's really dewy. I like it though. But I'm gonna go with the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powder. Although this does completely like mattify it, it does give you a little bit of shimmer and glow. Sometimes I apply this with a sponge, but right now I'm just applying it with the brush. And I go a little bit lighter on this half of my like mouth, chin, cheek area. You want this part to be a little bit darker, and like so you look a little bit chiseled, you know. Next, I'm gonna take the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Blush and Luminous Blush, and I just take a blush brush, and I just really go heavy-handed because this blush is like really light. And fun fact, blush is the first thing to go when your makeup like starts fading throughout the day. Okay, so next I'm taking a Morphe Y1, and I'm going in with the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Bronzer. And I'm just gonna chisel out the cheeks. I have really high cheekbones, if you guys can't tell, and I really like to put emphasize them. And then I put it up top, and then I put like the rest like along this line. Nothing too complicated, nothing too fancy. So now I'm gonna go ahead and like just do the eyes and get them done. It doesn't really take me too long. I sometimes will use the Marc Jacobs highliner, and I use the brown one. I think it's in the shade like Brownie. I don't know, I can't find it, but I'm pretty sure it's Brownie. And I just put that like on my waterline. And now I'm just combing out my lashes. Obviously, if you don't have lash extensions, mascara, you know, whatever. I really need to get them done, so just excuse them for right now. And then I'm gonna go in with the Marc Jacobs. I'm using a lot of Marc Jacobs, aren't I? No, not really. Velvet Noir Major Volume Mascara. Love this mascara. I recommend if you don't have eyelash extensions. This is such a good mascara. And that is the completed look. No, I'm just kidding. You're probably like, what the heck? Why do you look so weird? And it's because I haven't done my brows yet. So I'm gonna go in with a Sephora Collection brush, and it's like an angled eyeliner one. And I go in with my Benefit Ka-Brow. I've had this like literally forever. And I use the shade 4 if you guys are wondering. But I just recently started using it again because I forgot how much I really like this product. Like you can just really like focus on a lot like of detail. Like I really like it. I don't know if that makes any sense. Dang it. I think that looks okay. I can't really tell. I hate doing my brows on camera. Okay, they look a little harsh. I don't know why they look so harsh. To make them like less harsh, I go in with the Benefit Gimme Brow and like the lightest shade. I think it's shade 1, and it just kind of dulls them down because I do have like blonde hair but like brown roots, so I don't like my brows to be like so dark. Like this is the shade I used when I had black hair, so I just like to dull them down a little bit. Not really happy with my brows today, but it's okay, life goes on. So I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty Killawatt Freestyle highlighter. I just use that one, the like sparkly one, and I'm using my Morphe M510, and I just kind of like rub it in there, like I go all out. I like to glow, I like to be seen, you know, so I just go all out for highlighter. And then I'll take some like on the back of it and go down my nose. Now that that's done, I go in with a lip color. I never, ever neglect my lips. So I'm just using the Tarte Lippy Lingerie in the shade Exposed. It's just this like mauve-y nude color, and I really like it. Okay, so they don't look like perfect, but that's because I didn't use lip liner. I'm gonna go in with the Marc Jacobs Lip Gloss Stick in the shade Sugar Sugar. Best thing ever. This is freaking amazing, and I love this so much, and I want to get more shades. And next I take this Morphe setting spray, well, the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist, and I shake it up really good. Woo! And that's it. That's the completed makeup look. So guys, that concludes today's makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is just what I do every day going to school, like I said. Make sure you give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and if you want me to do a drugstore version, leave a comment down below as well. Oh, also comment down below any video suggestions that you guys have, whether it's in the back to school series or just a regular video. I'm already in school, but I still like doing the back to school videos for you guys because I know a lot of you like them, and yeah, and a lot of you don't start until like way later. If you aren't subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my channel. The button will be right here, and once you do that, make sure you click the notification bell icon, so you get notified every time I upload a video. And yeah, I love you guys so much. Don't forget to follow me on my social medias down below, and I'll hopefully see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye guys.